The chemical name of baking soda is answer A. Sodium bicarbonate. The density of milk can be measured by answer D. Lactometer. The number of RCB count in an adult male is answer D. 5 million. Which of the following metals has the highest thermal conductivity? Answer D. Silver. Which of the following is that part of human body which is responsible for the balance of water? Answer A. Kidney. The major components of honey is answer A. Fructose. The escape velocity of the earth is answer D. 11.2 km per second. A satellite is keep moving in its orbit around the earth due to its answer D. Centripetal force. Which one of the following organ is affected by malaria? Answer B. Spleen. Who discovered insulin? Answer D. F.G. Waiting. Raindrops are spherical. Answer B. Due to surface tension. Due to the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Answer A. Rises in temperature. When the snowflake melts, the result will be answer B. Will remain unchanged in water level. Why does the color of tomatoes turn red when ripe? Answer C. Chromoplast. National Good Governance Day is observed in India on answer B. 25 December. The nitrogen fixing legume bacteria is answer D. Rhizobium. Due to the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Answer A. Rises in temperature. Why do colors appear in soup bubbles due to the incident of light? Answer B. Due to interference. Who invented dynamite? Answer A. Alfred Nobel. Bronze is an alloy of answer B. Copper and tin. The main components of liquid petroleum gas LPG are answer A. Ethane, propane and butane. During summer, water cap is an earthen pot becomes cold due to answer A. Evaporation. Where is urea manufactured? Answer B. Liver. Plants that grow in salt water are called answer D. Halophytes. Which one of the following metal is used with iron to make it rust free? Answer A. Chromium. The velocity of sound is minimum in answer C. Vacuum. How many bones are present in human ears? Answer A. 6. The weight of our body is mostly made of answer A. From water. Which of the following substance is used for artificial rain? Answer A. Silver iodide. In what form is phosphate found in bones? Answer B. Calcium. Who invented the rabies vaccine? Answer C. Louis Pasteur. The rotations per second of a wheel that spins at an accelerating rate are measured by. Answer D. Stroboscope. When was the Space Commission established in India? Answer C. June 1972. Which of the following represents a correct food chain? Answer B. Grass, insect, frog, snake, eagle. Produces moving charge. Answer C. Both magnetic field and electric field. From which part of plant turmeric is obtained? Answer A. Stem. Which planet spins the fastest? Answer B. Jupiter. Mohs scale is used to measure dash. Answer D. Hardness of substance. Bacteria is classified as dash. Answer B. Prokaryote organism. Tobacco addiction is due to. Answer C. Nicotine. Which is not a source of air pollution? Answer C. Solid waste.